Hey, everybody. So I've had a question. Quite honestly, it's a great question because there's so much confusion with GoHighLevel. Where is the stuff? How do you build it? What's the best practice? And someone was asking me about courses versus memberships and how they just wanted to offer a free course or maybe a low cost course, but they didn't want it tied to a membership. So stick with me because in this video, I'm just going to walk you through the mind of GoHighLevel or High Level, how they've built their product. And maybe after this, it'll help you, just make sense of things. So let me just share my screen here a little bit. Now I'll make it a little bigger, just a little whiteboard to kind of help you understand a little more. Now, I don't know, I don't have any inside connection with High Level, but in my mind, they built GoHighLevel / High Level in pieces. So different developers, and the developers don't always know what's happening on the other side of the wall. In my mind, my non-technical way, that's how I describe it. Way back when, before time, I think they actually started just as a CRM, a client management system. And then over time, things just keep building. Well, what I like, and you'll stick with me because it's going to make so much more sense in just a minute. The courses and then later memberships got introduced kind of live on the opposite side of the wall. And the reason that's important to understand is they use the same words when they're talking about courses that they do on this side of the wall when they're talking about payments. Now, what do I mean by that? Let me just hop over here inside of my GoHighLevel. This is one of the accounts that I have. And you'll notice over here on the left, these are kind of like the main divisions or the main rooms that this software has. And I tell people it's like trying to figure out how to drive a jet. You don't just jump in and you know everything. So let's pick which little path you want to go down and figure that out. So you'll notice over here on the left, you have a little tab called Sites, and that's where you would build your funnels, your landing pages, your websites, stores, webinars, the whole 9 yards here. Okay, so that is under Sites. Now let me scoot back up a little bit. If we go to Payments, that's anything connected with money. All right, so notice up here at the top, you can send out invoices, you can send out contracts, orders, so people that have purchased from you, subscriptions, those are the like every month they're paying so much, payment links and so forth. But what I want to bring your attention to is the little section called products. So if I wanted to create a course and sell it, it would be a product. And so my course, let's just call it Jumpstart with GHL. Okay, so that would be my product. And I would create the course with the price. And then I can, now that it's been created as a product, then I can attach it to whatever I want. I could attach it to a form inside of my funnel, my website, the whole 9 yards. All right, now let's come over here. Let's hop. Let me just hop back over here. So again, all of this stuff lives on this side of the wall. I'm not going to get into everything, the automations. I mean, there's just tons and tons of stuff that we could do. Let's jump over the wall where the courses and the memberships live. So if we come back over here and we come down to the side where it says memberships, okay, so that's your first confusion. It doesn't say courses, it says memberships. And then up here at the top, we have something called a client portal. So you can set that up and give that link to people so that they can log in and they get access to everything that they have purchased or that you have given them permission. So do I I think I do. So here, for instance, is inside of my Digital Business Academy. So if somebody is part of this membership, I have actually attached other things inside of this membership. But don't worry too much about that. Just stick with me. So that's under Client Portals. But now, courses. Pay attention. Do you see what's here? It says products. I wish they would change the name to courses, because that's what it is. When you are getting ready to create a course, you have to jump over the wall to the membership side, create, first of all, your product, not to be confused by the give me your money type product, okay? And the product is, so you can see I have several products that I've created. This is where the actual course lives, okay? And just like what you're used to, you have different content here. So this is a pretty simple one. It just has 4 lessons and you're good to go. All right, so that's the product. Offers, it's like a twofold. So what you have to do is you create your product, aka your course, and then you create your offer. And an offer is just a wrapper that goes around the course. And why 2 separate things? Because quite honestly, when you create something, so I'm just going to open up this offer, okay? And the offer is basically, it just describes it. Now, technically, you could sell from this offer page. Is kind of ugly compared to coming over here to the funnel side, okay? So is it starting to make sense when I say it's like you've got a whole team of developers on one side, a whole team of developers on the other side. They don't necessarily look over the wall at what each other are doing. In the future, it'll probably change, but as of March 2026, that's how it is, okay? So when you create the offer, you can, give it a little spiel about what it's all about. You could charge for it if you want on this side. I do everything on the funnel side, just to let you know. But just so you understand that it's here. The biggest advantage, I guess, when you're setting up these offers, well, 2 advantages. Let me just come back here because this is really important. 2 advantages. With the offer, you need that offer container. And then when you're building your automations, it's looking for that offer container. And that's what it attaches to. So if I have this little course that I've created, then I create the offer, the container, the wrapper. On the funnel side, when I do my automations, because I don't want to do everything manually, right? So when I do my automations, what I will do is I'll start building in these kind of like these if-then statements. If someone goes to this page and they purchase this, then what I want you to do, I want you to give them access to this offer, okay? And then inside the offer, once they're connected, then I want you to send out an email with the link that they can log into it and all of that kind of stuff. So that's the number one important thing. That offer allows you to connect for the automations. The second really powerful thing is inside of an offer, you can combine multiple courses. So very powerful. So maybe for my VIP people, in addition to getting the main course, I'm giving them something extra. So I don't have to like reinvent the wheel, so to speak. I am just giving them, let me just come back here. I am just giving them different courses connected with that offer. All right, so hopefully that's making sense. All right, so the courses do not have to be tied to a membership. That was the main question that I got. They have a course, they want to offer it, they don't want to have to set up a membership and the whole 9 yards. The client portal is different. That's just your landing spot, okay? So you set that up so people have a place to go, and then based on what they've been given access to, when they log in, they will see it. On the membership side, just like what I mentioned here, within my Digital Business Academy membership, they automatically have access to all of the courses, but I just have to like check a box basically. Okay. So up here inside of the memberships, here's just the regular discussion area that you're probably used to in school and all these others, and you can set up different threads of conversation. But notice up here at the top, the learning. Does this look familiar? So here's all of the courses that I've created separately. My Digital Business Academy members, they get the premier treatment. So they get all of my courses. So every time, but I have to add them. So every time I create a new course, I also want to give that to my DBAers. So I will come over here, it'll say, hey, I want you to add whatever course it is. Okay. Does that make sense? Okay, so let me just hop back over here. So the quick answer to this is, if you just want to create a course, you just come over here to the membership side. That's what it says on the little tab, and you need to create, it's kind of a two-parter. Okay, so I think I switched these. Okay. So it's a two-parter here, where under courses, you'll create the product, which is the course, and you'll create the offer. And the offer allows them to be able to, you can take advantage of all of the automations. Then within the membership, if you decided to create a membership, you can connect as many courses that you want, but you don't have to do that. And then, not to be confused, on the other side of the wall, under the payments tab, that's where you create a product to sell, where you're going to collect the moolah. Give me the money. Again, you could collect money on the other side of the wall, but if you want the pretty landing page builders and all of the, you could still use automations. But anyway, just do everything on this side. So I hope that makes sense. It's a little confusing trying to figure that out, but once you look at the 10,000-foot view and kind of get into GHL's head, that's how I pretend anyway, that they have little silos of people working in each one of these, and they don't necessarily, I think they're getting better, but when they first came out, they didn't necessarily look over the wall to think, you know what, I shouldn't call it a product. Maybe I should just call it a course, because that's what it is. Okay. So as always, send me your questions. I read every comment. If you want more help, reach out, schedule a free discovery chat, and let's see how I can help you, or just kind of do some brainstorming together. If you want weekly hands-on coaching and help, and actually me helping you open the hood and helping you with high level, I've got an affiliate link below, and we would love to have you inside of Digital Business Academy, because we're keeping our thumb on the pulse of what's happening. Everything is moving so quickly with AI and everything else. So we'd love to have you there. Okay, as always, thanks for watching. Share this with someone that you think would benefit. Give me a little love, subscribe to it, all of that kind of stuff. Okay, thanks so much. See you in the next video. Take care.